All right, so we are going on the record in the matters of City of Riverview versus Timothy Diamond, 163196. City of Riverview versus Timothy Diamond, 154511. And the City of Riverview versus Timothy Diamond, 23201A and B. All right, well, you can start, counsel. I just have a lot of this stuff I have to fill out for all three cases for the case numbers on these documents. So you may begin with the arraignment on all of these matters.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, I discussed with Mr. Bennett these charges, three charges of driving while license suspended and 2 civil infractions of expired plates. I've explained to him those charges, and at this time he waived a formal reading of the charges. That's complete, not guilty on oral.
All right, the court's going to waive the formal reading of the charges on all matters. Enter a plea of not guilty for purposes of arraignment on all matters. And counsel as to the pre-trial.
Your Honor, I've spoken to Mr. Carmen as to all three matters, and I made a global resolution. It's my understanding that in return for a plea of guilty to driving while license suspended on the case number, I'm sorry, that occurred on January 24th of 23.
Yes.
That the people would move to dismiss the charges in file 163196, as well as the case out of 15.
Wow.
This is his last matter. He's been trying to get everything taken care of, and he did in fact take care of the expired plates on the charge that he is pleading responsible. That said, we're asking the court to accept this plea and sit down.
Please, he needs to sign this one too, and I'm going to presume he needs to sign the other one. Yep. Thank you. So Mr. Diamond has pending charges for, what's that, 9 years. And so both charges both of the older cases are being dismissed, even though he was still continuing to drive on a non-valid license because he just did the same thing 2 months ago. Is that what's happening?
Well, yeah, Your Honor, yes, it is. It's ironic, Your Honor, because as Mr. Diamond explained to me on this latest incident, he'd been clearing up all of his other matters.
He has to sign these. He printed it there, but he needs to sign it.
And Your Honor, excuse me, he has been not driving for a good period of time. And on the day in question, on January 24th, he had just gotten his vehicle repaired. His driveway he hadn't been driving. And so he went out because he kept starting it. And he thought, well, okay, I have to get some gas to keep this going. He drove to the court, indicate his description of why what happened. He didn't realize that he had these outstanding warrants because they were so long ago. And the plate was expired, got the gas, was returning, and he was stopped. And then was notified of these 2 other outstanding warrants. I have reviewed the record that appears to be accurate. I did, he informed me also that he has taken care of all of his other matters. It's for that reason, Your Honor, I believe that global resolution would be.
How'd you get here today, sir?
I was driven.
And who drove you?
Girlfriend.
Where's your girlfriend?
In parking lot.
And when did you take care of everything, sir?
Couple of weeks ago up until this morning.
So did you clear up your warrant out of Taylor?
Yes. I have received from confirmation.
Sorry, what's that?
I have received some confirmation numbers that you need to see.
Yes, I'd like to see those, please. It's the bond for the 27th for these two matters. This doesn't tell me, I thought you had a receipt. Okay, I'm gonna go off the record, so I'm gonna go have your information run again so that I have stuff from January, so I want to make sure that's all cleared off before the court proceeds with this resolution. So we're gonna go off the record. All right, so we're going back on the record in the matter of City of Riverview versus Timothy Diamond. And so council, all right, reviewing Mr. Diamond's driving record. It appears as though his matter in Taylor is still showing default on those matters, and the warrants are still showing in the system. So you're saying, sir, that you cleared up those warrants, but those don't appear to be cleared up as of today at 10:18 a.m.
I paid it this month. On the confirmation.
He does have on his phone documentation.
Okay, so you probably posted a bond, but you had warrants because you failed to appear for a show cause. You can't just pay that and think that it's done. It was a show cause because you didn't appear for something. So the court issued a show cause as to why you should not be held in contempt of court. So procedurally, you should have to set up a court date. And you had to post a bond. What'd you pay? $350 and what'd you pay? $650 today?
Today somewhere around that, yeah.
Sir, you just did that this morning. You either did or you didn't. How much did you pay?
Did I pay to Taylor? $596.
Okay, where did you get that dollar amount from?
That's what the woman told me over the phone from the 23rd district court.
Okay, well, these warrants are still showing. They haven't set the warrant aside. And if they have, they haven't set it to lien yet. Your attorney worked out a very generous offer for you, sir. What kind of car does your girlfriend drive?
Not 150.
What color is it? There's a red F-150 out there, please, in the parking lot. Sir, please raise your right hand. Solemnly swear from the testimony about to give this man to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
And you heard the plea that your attorney had placed on the record a little bit ago, correct? How do you plead? And you've gone over your advice of rights with your attorney, correct? Is your phone on, ma'am? Was that your phone?
No, it didn't go, no, my phone didn't go off. It wasn't mine.
Judge wants to know if this guy's driving or not, or if his girlfriend's here.
All right. And counsel, please ready your client.
Thank you. Mr. Nimitz, on January 24th of 2023, we were operating a motor vehicle in the city of Riverview. And did it come up?
You have to be louder, sir. She's not picking you up.
I'm sorry, yes. And did there come a point in time when you were stopped by the the Riverview Police Truck. And at the time that they asked you for your driver's license, were you able to give them the driver's license?
No, I was not.
And was that because your driver's license was suspended? And you knew it was suspended?
Yes.
And to satisfy them.
Court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, and factually accurate. The court will accept your plea. All right, and sir. So your girlfriend dropped you off?
Yes.
All right, and so so you said she's parked out in the parking lot.
Either that or she left there.
Okay, and where did she park?
Somewhere in the parking lot. I mean, I know where she parked when I got out and came in.
Because there's a red F-150 out in the parking lot that she's not in.
Okay. I don't know where she is unless I call her.
You didn't drive here?
No. I'm trying to get all this fixed. I don't do it.
Why don't I step out, maybe she steps into the court.
The record. I want to confirm that Mr. Diamond has not driven here today. Because so far, I'm not convinced that he has not driven here. I understand what you're saying, Mr. Diamond. But surprisingly enough, people have been less than honest with the court in days, 2 years past. I'm sorry?
Can I step out and call her?
Well, what I would like to know is, what I'd like to know is, it's an F-150,
Correct.
okay? Regular cab, crew cab,
Okay.
okay. And do you know the license plate number?
No.
Is it fire engine red, burgundy red,
Red.
wine red?
Red.
You know, I'll just step out as well, since we're, are we on the record? Or-
And I think we're on the record, so,
Oh, sorry.
but,
Okay.
and so did she pull into a parking spot before you got out of the car, or did she just drop you off at the front part?
She pulled into a parking spot
And so where was that parking spot she pulled into?
in front.
Front, not the side?
Oh, well, this side.
This side?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, I'm just looking at the phone right now.
The phones should be off.
I tried shutting it off, but it won't go.
Listen,
off.
just because the Supreme Court says that phones are allowed in the court building, the court can still confiscate the phones.
Sorry, I apologize, Your Honor. I tried breaking it. It won't go off.
Then it needs to go back into your car.
Okay, apologize.
Yes, I would like to see, what is your girlfriend's name?
Denise.
Okay, Brian, can you see if there's a Denise out in the lobby, please?
Okay.
Because she's not sitting in the truck that's parked on the side of the courthouse here. And we're going to go off the record for a quick moment.
No, I'm just gonna step out.
Where did Mr. Lopal go? Or stepping out? Oh, Mr. Lopal went? Oh, there he is. Okay. All right, thank you. We are going on the record in the matter of Timothy Diamond. And so there's no Denise out in the lobby. And does the truck she drives, is it hers?
Yeah.
Does she have a fraternal order of police plate?
No.
No. Okay. So you have your phone with me? You don't know the plate number, but it's not, you know, it's not an FOP plate. I have your phone with you.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go off the record and you're gonna call her right now.
Okay.
In fact, we're gonna stay on the record, we're back on the record. You seem to be scrolling through your phone quite a bit to get to her number.
Well, it wasn't in my recent.
Please put it on speakerphone.
Dave, I need you to come back up to the court and pick me up. Please, I need you to
No,
come.
hold on, no, hold on. Ma'am, this is Judge DeSanto. What is your name, please?
You dropped me off at court this
No,
morning.
no, sir.
Yes. Yeah, but I need you to pick me up.
Hold on, no,
Sorry.
hold on. Ma'am, what is your name?
My name is
Denise what?
Carly.
How do you spell your last name? Okay. And, please raise your right hand. Okay.
She says
No,
please
well,
raise
no,
your
we're
right
gonna put the phone up over here. All right, Ms. Carlin, please raise your right hand.
Okay, my hand is raised.
Do you solemnly swear from the testimony about to give this matter is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Sure, I guess. I don't even know what the hell's happening right now.
Ma'am, you're talking to a court, so please be a bit more respectful.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know I was talking to the court.
Well, that's, the judge is swearing you in, so do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony about to give this matter to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you this question. What kind of vehicle do you drive?
I have a black F-150 and I have a red F-150.
Okay, and so, did you drive a vehicle today?
A black F-150
Okay, and where did you drive it?
to the court and then drove back.
Okay, and so what did you drive to the court for?
He said he had a court date to get his ticket cleared.
Okay, and what time was that? Okay, and so how is Mr. Diamond getting home?
I'd have to pick him up
Okay, so then why were you confused when he called you?
because I thought he was in trouble. The way he was making it sound like I thought he was in trouble. He did something wrong.
Which court did you drop him off to?
Downtown.
Downtown where? Downtown Detroit? Did you take him downtown Detroit, ma'am?
No, I took him to 27th District Court.
And so why did you say that was downtown?
No, because I'm at work, honestly, and I'm getting very nervous because I don't know what's going on.
Where do you work?
In Brownstown.
And so when you said you took him to court downtown, where was that?
I just told you, 27th District Court.
But that isn't downtown, ma'am.
No, I know it's not downtown. Can I please ask a question? If I may?
What's your question, ma'am?
Is he in trouble?
Ma'am, I'm trying to make sure, I'm trying to clarify something, so, and so what is your license plate number on your truck?
I have my right one right now, so I would have to go and pull it up on my
I thought you said you drove your black one.
I have a red and a black one. I drove him in the black one. I drove my red truck to my office today. I have two. I also have a Jeep.
So
I
you dropped,
technically own 3 cars.
you drove
He
Timothy
cannot drive my
to,
vehicles. He's not allowed to drive my vehicles.
okay, you dropped Timothy off in the black one and went back home and got the red one?
Yes, I got home, got ready, and I drive my red one to work because that one has less miles on it. They're both leased vehicles.
Okay, and what's the license plate number of your black truck?
I don't know that one by heart. I told you I have I don't know my license plate numbers by heart. Is that something I do?
You have your registration handy?
It's in my truck at home. I can actually, if you want me to, I can actually try to pull it up on my insurance site and see if I can get it.
Okay, I'm not sure if that will show up on there, but okay, thank you.
I don't know.
Okay,
All I know is I don't know them by heart. I have 3 cards and I don't know all of them by heart.
okay.
Yes. And the question is why not, correct?
Well, is that where you dropped them off?
Yes.
Okay. So I just wanted to confirm what the license plate number is of your red truck and your black truck.
You are not want my red truck too?
Yes, please.
Go.
Okay, I might have that registration in my purse. Let me just double check that one. First license. Okay, can I run out to my truck and see if I can get it from there? So I think it's in my truck.
Or you can just look at the back of your truck on the license plate and tell me what it
Oh,
is.
that's true. I'm so sorry. That's smart. I guess I should have done that. Okay. I'll be right back, you guys. Okay. My red one is
Okay.
Okay.
And that's the one that you have with you, correct?
yeah, that's the one I'm driving right now.
Okay, and you're not sure what the black one is?
No, I don't, like I said, in this honest truth, I don't pay attention to the license plates.
Okay, and you don't have a copy of your registration with you on that one?
I'm looking at my truck right now, maybe I have it, but I think I just had the red one in this one.
Okay, and you're telling this court that Mr. Diamond did not drive any of your vehicles to court?
He can't drive any of my vehicles.
Okay, and so what time did you begin work, ma'am?
I was served till after 9. Actually, I should say 10.
Okay. And so you have to come pick them back up?
That's what he said, yes. I had to leave on my lunch. I didn't know how long it was gonna take.
All right, okay, thank you very much for your cooperation.
Okay, so do I have to come get him now, or what's going on?
Oh, we're not done yet, so it'll be a little bit.
Oh,
And do you know, where is the location of the 27th District Court that you dropped him off at?
God. Hang on, I can barely hear you. I'm outside. Hang on, I can.
Where is the location that you dropped him off at, ma'am? Where's the 27th District Court located?
Are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I can hear you now. Okay.
Where you dropped him off, where's the 27th District Court located?
I'm Biddle,
Biddle and what?
North Line.
All right, and what else was near there?
No. I just dropped him off and I take off and I go. I don't pay attention to my surroundings.
Okay.
Is there a gas station on the corner? If you've ever seen a gas station.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, bye. So you weren't dropped off in the red one. And she wasn't sitting out there waiting for you. You didn't say anything about her having to leave and go to work.
I didn't know she was going to work.
Well, then how did you expect that you were going to be getting picked up, sir?
She didn't tell me that she had to work today.
Did you live together?
Yeah.
And you didn't know that she had to work today?
Right, I don't know her schedule.
If I recall correctly, Your Honor, he did indicate that he was dropped off. I didn't recall which.
He said red.
I thought he said, at one time I heard black, but I'm not sure. And they indicate also that that he thought she was waiting for him in the car, not that she was leaving. I do recall.
Okay. We all heard that Ms. Carlin indicated that she dropped him off in the black one, took the black one home, and then grabbed the red one to drive herself to work. Right? Y'all heard that?
I agree.
You heard that, sir?
Yep.
Okay. So interestingly enough, the black F-150, plate number of DRH 7316 is sitting right in the 27th District Court parking lot.
Okay.
Comes back to Denise Carlin. So when I made the comment earlier that interestingly enough, or surprisingly enough, people come into court and lie, sir, that includes you. And your girlfriend was pretty smart picking up on some of the clues you left, and she also lied to the court. Yeah. And your statement, oh, I'm trying to get my license back. Why would I drive myself to court? Really? Well, that's not the way to do it, sir. And this court's holding you in contempt of court. So you're gonna go sitting back. The court's going to indicate in this matter $500 fine, $200 cost, crime to 50, $75, justice assessment fee $50. The court's also going to indicate 10 days jail